Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a raised competition chili. And this chili is so good, guys. I'm just bringing it to you guys so you guys can make this at home for yourself and try it out for yourself. I've been eating this chili for quite some time, at least about 15, 20 years. All right. So guys, please try this out. All right. Now, inside this bag, which this bag costs like $5. It's just simple chili seasoning. Okay, this is all you're gonna get up in there. Alright, that's that. You're gonna also need some salt and some pepper. And like a tablespoon of brown sugar right here. Now this calls for like 3 pounds of ground beef. This is that right there. Ground chuck, and you're going to need some beef broth and some chicken broth. You're going to need a cup of each. That's 8 ounces a piece. Okay, right here I have some tomato paste. I'm going to use like 3 ounces of that. All right, and I have some beans right here. You can get any kind of beans you want to. I'm going with these right here. I got 3 cans of these right here. These are 15.5 ounce a piece. This recipe calls for 2 cans. I like beans in mine, so I don't know why they do that, but I'm putting a 3rd can of beans. Alright, so these right here. Alright, so they want you to boil your broth. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this out real quick. Let's see, 8 ounces. So right there. Have a little pot right here that I'm going to put that in. And I'm going to transfer all this when this reaches to a boil and my meat get done. Now also, they want you to put, if I can open up this, hold on. They want you to put like a tablespoon of this seasoning right here in your meat. So I'm going to just sprinkle that in there. And you're going to cook this meat till it's gray looking. Why? I don't know. That's what they said. Okay. You're also going to get a card in there. I don't know what I did with it, but it is what it is. So I'm going to come in here with some salt. I'm going to put like a tablespoon of that in there. This is coarse sea salt. So that's that. Sprinkle that in there. And also some black pepper. Alright. Sprinkle that in there. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and take this over there and start working on this stuff. See you guys over there in a minute. Alright fam, this is it right here. I'm just going to mix this stuff up. We're just going to cook this till it's great, okay? And when it gets close to being halfway done, then I warm up that broth. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, this is how it looks. It's getting gray. We're just going to keep on cooking this till we don't see any more red. And we'll go from there. I got my broth heating up. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. There that is right there. Here's my beef broth right here. Just going to pour that in there. Now you can drain your meat if you want to, okay? This 80-20 ain't that bad at all. I like a little flavor in mine. You guys, that's your option. You can do that as well, but this is how I do mine. Alright, so now I'm going to put my beans in here. Okay fam, I got all my beans in there. I'm just going to stir this around up in here. Just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my seasoning in there. And my brown sugar. Got kind of hard on me. Sitting out too long. We're just going to stir that up, guys. We're going to come with our tomato paste. I got 1.5 cups of that. Or you can use some tomato sauce. put our chicken broth in there. All right, here's my chicken broth. Just like that. We're gonna stir this up and we're gonna let this cook, guys, for about 45 minutes. Simmer, okay? And we should be done. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let this simmer. And I'll show you guys how it looks when it gets done. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Been about 45 minutes. I'm just gonna stir this up one last time. I turned the eye off. I was letting this simmer and let these seasons settle, and we'll fix the bowl. Show you guys how that look with a little presentation to it. We'll be using a lime, maybe some sour cream and guacamole or something like that, and some cheese. So, alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let this settle down for about 15 minutes, and then I'll show you guys the presentation. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay, fam, I'm back. This is the award-winning raised chili, and let me show you that up close. I put some cheddar cheese in it. I put some guacamole and some sour cream. All right, that's what I use right here. Now that's optional. Let me show you this up close. All right. I got some crackers over here on the side with some lime. All right, guys, if you like this recipe of this raised chili, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yes, don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love, and God bless.